Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language that allows developers to create powerful scripts and applications. If you're new to Python and want to install a Python script on a Windows machine, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Before you can run Python scripts, you need to have Python installed on your Windows machine. Follow these steps to install Python. Visit the official Python website and click on the Downloads tab. Choose the latest version of Python for Windows and download the installer. Run the installer, ensuring that you check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation process. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. To verify the installation, open a command prompt and type Python version or Python v. You should see the installed Python version. Assuming you have a Python script that you want to install, create a new folder to contain your script and any associated files. Place your Python script, your _script.py, in this folder. For example, let's create a simple script called hello.py. Save this script in your designated folder. Open the command prompt on your Windows machine. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu or pressing Win+R, typing CMD, and pressing Enter. Use the cd command to navigate to the folder where your Python script is located. For example, replace path / to your /script / folder with the actual path to your scripts folder. Now that you are in the correct directory, you can run your Python script using the following command. For our example script, use. You should see the output Hello, Python, printed to the console. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python on your Windows machine and executed a Python script. This tutorial covers the basic steps to get you started, but as you delve deeper into Python development, you'll discover more advanced topics and tools to enhance your coding experience. ChatGPT.